Exercise 2.2 first question. Find the area of rhombus PQRS shown in the following figures. So this is the first rhombus and here the diagonal values are 16 centimeter and 8 centimeter. So first write what is given. So D1, that is diagonal 1 value is 16 centimeter and D2 value is 8 centimeter. Then write area of the rhombus formula. Area of the rhombus is equal to 1 by 2 into D1 into D2 square units. So 1 by 2 multiplied by, here D1 value is 16 and D2 value is 8, and here the units of measurement is centimeter, so you will get centimeter square. So you can cancel 2 and 16. So 8 multiplied with 8 you will get 64 centimeter square. So the area of the rhombus value is 64 centimeter square. In the second rhombus they have not given the diagonal value, instead they have given the base value and the height value. Here the base PQ value is 15 centimeter and height H value is 11 centimeter. So the area of the rhombus formula is base into height square units. So just multiply the base value and the height value so that you will get area of the rhombus. So if they have given diagonal value, use the formula 1 by 2 into D1 into D2, and if they have given you base and height, use base into height formula. So first write what is given. Base value is 15 centimeter and height value is 11 centimeter. Area of the rhombus is equal to base into height square units. Here the base value is 15 and height value is 11. So 15 into 11 you will get 165. Here the units of measurement is centimeter. So centimeter into centimeter you will get centimeter square. Second question, find the area of a rhombus whose base is 14 centimeter and height is 9 centimeter. So here base value is 14 centimeter and height value is 9 centimeter. So write area of the rhombus formula. When they give you base and height, you should use B into H. Here the base value is 14 and height value is 11. Height value is 9. So 14 multiplied by 9 you will get 126 centimeter square. Third question, find the missing value. In that, the first one, they have given you D1 and D2 value, that is they have given you two diagonal value, you should find area. Second question, they have given one diagonal value and the area, and you are supposed to find the D2 value. Third question, they have given D2 value and area, you should find D1 value. So for the first question, first write what is given. D1 value is 19 centimeter and D2 value is 16 centimeter. Then write area of the rhombus formula. So area of the rhombus is equal to 1 by 2 D1 into D2 square units. So write 1 by 2 into D1 value is 19, D2 value is 16. You can cancel 2 and 16 by 8. So 19 multiplied by 8, you will get 152. Here the unit of measurement is centimeter, so you will get centimeter square. So the first missing value is 152 centimeter square. So for the second question, write what is given. D1 value is 26 meter and D2 you are supposed to find, and area value is 468 square meter. So first write area of the rhombus is equal to 1 by 2 into d1 into d2 square units. So area value is 468. 1 by 2, d1 value is 26, d2 is unknown, so just write d2. You need the value of d2, so send the other terms to your LHS. So you'll get 468 into 2 divided by 26 is equal to d2. So 26 by 2, when it goes to your LHS, it becomes 2 by 26. So now cancel. Into table you will get 1 times and 13 times, and when you cancel 468 by 13, so you will get the quotient as 36. So d2 value is 36, and here the unit of measurement is meter, so you will get 36 meter. So for the third question, write the given values. Here d2 value is 12 millimeter, d1 value is unknown, and they have given area of the rhombus is equal to 180 square meter. So first write area of the rhombus formula. So 1 by 2 into d1 into d2 square units. So area value is 180. So 180 is equal to 1 by 2 into d1 is unknown, so just write d1, and d2 value is 12. You need the value of d1, so send all the other terms to the other side. So you will get d1 is equal to 180 into 12 by 2 will become 2 by 12. So cancel using 2 table, you will get 2 1 time 6 time, and then 6 3s are 18, so we'll have 0 here. So d1 value is 30. Here the unit of measurement is millimeter, so we'll get d1 value is 30 millimeter. Fourth question, the area of a rhombus is 100 square centimeter and length of one of its diagonal is 8 centimeter. Find the length of the other diagonal. So in this problem they have given area value as 100 square centimeter and one of the diagonal value is 8 centimeter, and you need to find the other diagonal value. So solution, first write what is given. Length of one diagonal d1 is equal to 8 centimeter and area of the rhombus is equal to 100 square centimeter. So next write area of the rhombus formula. So area of the rhombus is equal to 1 by 2 into d1 into d2 square units. So your area value is 100. 1 by 2, they have given one diagonal value. We have taken it as d1. So 1 by 2 into 8 into d2. You need the value of d2 to send all the other terms to the other side. So 100 into 2 divided by 8. So you'll get 200 divided by 8. So when you cancel, you'll get 25. So d2 value is 25. Here the unit of measurement is centimeter, so you'll get 25 centimeter. Therefore, length of the other diagonal d2 is equal to 25 centimeter. Fifth question, a suite is in the shape of rhombus whose diagonals are given as 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. The surface of the suite should be covered by an aluminium foil. Find the cost of aluminium foil used for 400 such suites at the rate of Rs 7 per 100 square centimeter. So a suite is actually is in the shape of a rhombus, and they have given the diagonals value as 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter, and they said the each suite should be covered by an aluminum foil, and you need to find the cost for 400 such suites. So what you need to do, first find the area of one suite, then find the area for 400 suites. So it's 7 rupees for 100 square centimeter. So for 400 suites, what will be the cost? So first write what is given. So given diagonal values as 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter, so we'll take it as D1 and D2. So first write area of one suite is equal to 1 by 2 into D1 into D2 square units. So 1 by 2 into D1 value and D2 value are 4 and 5. So you'll get 10 centimeter square. So this is the area for one suite, and they have said aluminum foil for 400 suites. So find the area for 400 suites. So aluminum foil used to cover 400 suites is equal to, just multiply 400 into 10. So you'll get 4000 centimeter square, and they have given cost of aluminum foil for 100 centimeter square as 7 rupees. So here this is not for 1 centimeter square, so you can't just directly multiply 4000 into 7. The value was given for 100 centimeter square. So cost of aluminum foil for 4000 centimeter square is equal to 4000 divided by 100, since they have given the value for 100 centimeter square, and multiply with the rupee value, that is 7 rupees. It's 4000. So 0 and 0 will get cancelled. So 7 into 400, you will get 0 divided by 10. So again 0 and 0 will get cancelled. So you will get rupees 280. So the cost of aluminum foil for 4000 centimeter square is 280. So sixth question is a objective type question. The area of the rhombus with side 4 centimeter and height 3 centimeter is. So here they have not given diagonal value, they have given the side value. So just find base into height. So here base value is 4 and height value is 3. So 4 into 3, 12. And here the unit of measurement is centimeter. So the answer is 12 square centimeter. Seventh question, the area of the rhombus when both diagonals measuring 8 centimeter is. So they have said both the diagonal value is 8 centimeter. So write the area formula 1 by 2 into D1 into D2. Both the diagonal values are 8. So 8 into 8. So 64 divided by 2, you will get 32. So here the unit of measurement is centimeter, so I will get 32 centimeter. So the correct answer is second option. Eighth question, the area of the rhombus is 128 square centimeter and the length of one diagonal is 32 centimeter. The length of other diagonal is. So you need to find one diagonal value. So substitute all the given value in the formula. So that is 1 by 2 into D1 into D2 is equal to the area. So here the area value is 128. So 1 by 2 into 32 into d2. So d2 is equal to 128 into 2 divided by 32. So when you cancel, you will get 2 1 times and 16 times. Then when you cancel, you will get 16 8 or 128. So d2 value is 8. Unit of measurement is centimeter, so you will get 8 centimeter. So the correct answer is second option. Ninth question, the height of the rhombus whose area 96 square meter and side 24 meter is. So this value, make use of base into height formula. So base into height is equal to area. Here the base value is 24, height you don't know, and the area value is 96. So h is equal to 96 divided by 24, and 24 4 times 96 you'll get. So h value is 4 meter. Fourth option. 10th question, the angle between the diagonals of a rhombus is. So we know a property that angles of a rhombus bisect at right angle. So the right angle is 90 degrees. So the correct answer is third option.